Stellar has announced a massive 2 billion lumens giveaway, and literally everyone can win some of these free lumens, even if you don't have an old Keybase account. And I'm going to show you exactly how in this guide today. Hello guys, this is Farhan Hussein and welcome to another video. I do quite a lot of giveaways on my channel, but Stellar has truly upped the game. They're giving away a staggering 2 billion lumens, which is worth around $120 million. And literally everybody on this earth can participate in the giveaway. Although there are some caveats to this, but in this guide today I'm going to be showing you how to circumvent those things and get a chance to win some really good lumens. For those of you who don't know, Stellar Lumens XLM is a crypto that is very similar to Ripple's XRP. In fact, Ripple's co-founder Jet McCaleb is actually the creator of Stellar Lumens, so you can imagine they are somewhat of sister cryptos. In fact, although they parted kind of long ago, a couple of years back, Stellar Lumens goes in a different direction now. And today, the Stellar Development Foundation announced that they're going to be giving away 100 million Stellar Lumens every single month and for the next 20 months. So there's a total of 2 billion lumens that people are going to get. And again, this is all free to participate in. Stellar Development Foundation has announced this giveaway in partnership with Keybase.io. For those of you who don't know, Keybase is a messaging platform very similar to what WhatsApp and Telegram is. But I think you'll be most interested in knowing how to get into the giveaway. Currently, more than 44,600 people have already registered in the giveaway, and each of them will receive 2,242 Stellar Lumens. But as you can expect, as more and more people register, the number of lumens each person gets reduced quite a bit. And again, a person cannot receive more than $500 worth of lumens. But $500 worth of lumens is still a lot of money, and it's basically free money for doing very little effort. Well, without wasting any more time, let's just directly dive into the tutorial on how you can get free Stellar Lumens. Okay, so first of all, you need to go to the website keybase.io. I will link it in the description box below so you can check it out there as well. And then you go and simply install it. Click on the install button. And here you can check what kind of operating system do you want to install to. Because I'm currently using a Mac, so I'll click on the Mac one. If you're using a Windows one, you can click on the Windows one and just install the Keybase. So here I'm just going to be clicking here for Mac. And just wait for it to install. Once everything is installed, just click on the create an account button. You can pick any username you want. I'm just going to write something. Click continue. You can name it whatever device you want to. I'm just going to leave it the default, my Mac device. Just waiting it to confirm, and you can skip this for now, and you can enter your phone number later on. I'm just going to skip it now, and I'm also going to skip this for now. So here you can see that we have entered into the Keybase app, and at the top you can see that it's saying starting September 9th, Keybase will divide 100 million XLM among qualified Keybase users. So this is what most of you are going to need. So let's just directly click on that. You can read this Keybase now supports Stellar. You can pause the video here and read more if you want to. You can click open your wallet, scroll all the way down and click yes, I agree. Just wait 5 seconds. Yeah, and this is our wallet has been created. So we can click on join the drop, and here it's going to give you a basic summary of pretty much everything I've talked before, but if you still want to, you can read this. Let's see if we qualify for it. We won't, but let's see. So to qualify, we need 3 active devices, and we need an old enough Keybase, GitHub or Hacker account. As I mentioned before, that even if you don't have an old Keybase account older than September 9, don't worry, but you will at least need to have an old GitHub or a Hacker News account. So I'm going to close it, and let's see how to continue the process. So now what we're going to do is we're going to connect at least 3 devices, because that is one of the requirements. So we can go here and click on devices, and we can add a device. I'm going to add a phone. So for phone, if you're using an iPhone, you go to the App Store, and if you're using an Android phone, go to the Google Play Store and download the Keybase app from there. And once you have downloaded, go to the enter the phone and write the username. So once that is done, click on the add phone, and it will give you an option for trying to verify using a QR code. So let me just connect to my phone. Once that is done, and I'm going to be verifying it. So it's taking some time to verify. Yep, it's verified. So next I'm going to create a paper key. You can do this as well. So you can click it here, create a paper key, and click the last option. You'll get a secret code. Once this secret code is there, write it down somewhere, write it down on a piece of paper, store it somewhere safe, because it's going to be one of your most important things to log into your app. So click on yes, I wrote this down, and click done. And that's it, we added 3 devices. The next thing that you have to do is, if you remember, is either you need to have a GitHub account which is older than 9th September, or a Hacker News account which is older than 9th September. So even if you don't have it, you can ask some of your family or your friends, whoever has it, so you can connect to their one. It's not a big deal. So for that, and in this tutorial, I'm going to be using GitHub. So I'll click on people, and here it gives an option of prove your GitHub. So you can click it here, and you can either write your name or whoever's account you're writing, but it should be older than 9th September. So click continue, and here you're going to get an entire message. Basically you have to copy this. So I'm going to copy, and you can click create just now. Click on this button, you'll be directed to your GitHub account. I'm going to copy this, and let's see what else it asked. Yeah, keybase.md file name, keybase.md. yeah. So once that is done, make sure that you click on the create public gist. Once this has been verified, once this has been posted, you can go back here and click OK, I posted, check for it. So this is it, we are done on GitHub. Now you can simply just go back to here, join the airdrop. You can click here and see if you qualify. Click on the button, you should get all ticks now. Yep, and click become a lucky airdroppee. That's it guys, you are in the contest to get as much as 500 Stellar Lumens, $500 worth of Stellar Lumens. Well guys, that was the guide on how you can get free Stellar Lumens through the Keybase.io giveaway. There are a couple of things which you should note, and that is you will be getting the free Stellar Lumens every 15th of the month. You don't have to do anything regarding it. It will automatically be deposited into your wallet, and this is going to continue happening for the next 20 months the giveaway, or until when the giveaway ends, or the Stellar Development Foundation decides to end the giveaway much earlier. It actually depends on them. Also, you might not be getting a lot or the same amount of Stellar Lumens every single month, because more and more people are going to be registering to the Keybase.io's giveaway. But again, this is free money, so I don't think we should be complaining anything regarding it. Well guys, that was the video for today. Let me know what you think about this giveaway in the comment section below, or if you have any other questions, you can put down in the comment section below. And as always, if you're new to my channel, make sure that you're subscribed to get your regular updates from the crypto world. And personally, I would also be doing giveaways in the future too, so make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. And as always, I will see you next time.